Whew, I don't even want to drive this no more. Oh! Oh, dang! What's going on, guys? It's Derek here with DellGarage Productions. Today I'll be doing some surgery on the Mazdaspeed6. As you can tell, kind of got it all blocked off in my garage. I am ready to get to work on this whole front part of the motor. As you can see, I got all my parts laid out right here. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will know that I will be putting all this under the hood. I call it maintenance. People call it upgrades. I think it just needs to be done. As you know, like I said, it was Dame Motors that I did say I contacted. Like I said in the last video, it was Cobb Tuning that I messaged, and they informed me that, you know, my spark was low. I already upgraded that with the MP boosted coil packs, spark plugs. So I'm just gonna go take it one step further and clean up the intake manifold by swapping it out with one that I've cleaned up and painted. I'm gonna put another top mount intercooler on it. I also got the inlet. And no, this is not gonna be the cone that I'm throwing on or the piping. It's just I didn't have it in my last video or my Instagram post that there's a couple pieces missing that I have to throw in still. Like I still need the hose. I do have the hose, but I just don't have it on the hood of the car right now. So, further ado, we're just gonna get going working on this, set up the camera, and we'll start smashing this out. I see you too. Baby. Sweet. Electrical. Do take off the posts. We'll just do that. Intake box. What fun stuff. guys, so far what we got off is just all the airbox side. We did crack all the nuts except for one bolt, and he just cracked his head off the hood. One bolt behind the power steering there for the intake. Kind of hard to see. Let's see if we can get that bolt in there. So let's see. See if I get it for you guys. Kind of hard to see, but it's that bolt right there, and yeah, it's behind the power steering. So we got to do that. Take off the intake, and that's that so far. Just want to give you guys a quick update. I know you guys are watching. Thanks for watching. So yeah, put this back up on the stand and keep working. So he got to that bottom bolt. Oh, I just dropped the camera on us. Got to that bottom bolt. Intake is still in. He did not go through the pulley like some people can do with, you know, some tools that they got. But he got it.
Go from the bottom.
If anything, when he's done taking that bolt out, we'll get an examination of his tool. It's got a swivel on there, so he used a ratchet. It's a small extension, regular size medium ratchet, and he used a
swivel attachment with a small bit.
Yeah, a small 12 mil.
12 mil, small socket.
And you just gotta reach. Alright guys, so power steering pump is off. I can't remember where we put it, but we put it somewhere.
I put it over on the floor over beside the red seat.
Oh, shit. So that's that one. And this is the other one that I had in my other Speed 6. Just gonna replace it when I put it all back together. But now that that's undone, we can get to the intake manifold now.
Oh, what? This bottom one.
There's one more.
And then just throttle body.
Oh dang, I need to plug this power steering or something. Where do we have a fat bolt? We just had a couple.
Fat bolt?
Yeah. Oh wait. There's the power steering. Get that for now.
Oh, fuck.
I don't know what the heck to do with that. You know she's dirty underneath there, dude. What just do that? Just had the pliers. Tripping out.
They were just here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Go pow! My head's blowing up right now.
Pow!
Yeah, no. Alright guys, like I said, so we got power steering out. We got the throttle body off right now. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. Too much stuff in the way. So throttle body, you can see how dirty. Well, it's not that bad, but it's dirty. So what we gotta do now is pretty much take off the hose for the EGR. I guess that's from what I know, because I know that when you do an EGR delete kit, when you get the full kit, that comes off. Then we actually gotta get the one bolt that's underneath there to take off the whole intake, and the intake is done, and it can come off. And then we can get ready to put this on. Put this bad boy. Yeah. That looks a lot better, eh? But alright guys, skipped a couple steps in the video, but intake's out. Alright guys. Wow. See these? What's this? I don't know if that was the bad one. Let me find the bad one. I think that's the bad one right there. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. I need to do some valve cleaning. Some ugly ass stuff. Whew, I don't even want to drive this no more. Oh! Oh dang! What do you guys think? Do a valve. Alright guys, so that's everything that I had to do to take out the intake manifold. It's all sitting right here behind me. And then all the stuff that's got to go in is all on the hood here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please hit that like and smash that subscribe button, because I do got a lot more videos coming out step by step for all this stuff right here. So again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. What are you gonna say?